Welcome to Education Labs IQ. The more you learn, the brighter you shine.
Let's learn the names domestic animals. Are you ready? Let's get started.
This is a cat.
Cats are fluffy, whiskered pets that are lively and independent.
This is a dog.
Dogs are loyal and intelligent pets that accompany humans.
This is a rabbit.
Rabbits are small, long-eared mammals that like to jump.
This is a hamster.
Hamsters are cute little rodents that are active at night.
This is a lovebird.
Lovebirds are small, brightly colored, and loyal parrots.
This is a canary.
Canaries are small, brightly colored birds with melodious chirps.
This is a cockatoo.
The cockatoo is a brightly colored bird characterized by a distinctive crest on its head.
This is a pigeon.
Pigeons are short-beaked birds that are good at flying and adapting.
This is a betta fish.
Betta fish are small, brightly colored ornamental fish with beautiful tails.
This is a guppy.
Guppies are small, brightly colored ornamental fish with beautiful tails.
This is a tortoise.
Tortoises are hard-shelled, slow-moving land reptiles.
This is a hedgehog.
Hedgehogs are small, spiny mammals that can roll up their bodies.
This is a chinchilla.
Chinchillas are small, very soft-furred rodents native to the Andes.
This is a ferret.
Ferrets are small, agile animals from the weasel family that are tame.
This is a sugar glider.
Sugar gliders are small, nocturnal animals that can glide through the air.
This is a duck.
Ducks are colorful water birds with distinctive wide beaks.
This is a Sarama chicken.
Sarama chicken is the smallest ornamental chicken in the world, originating from Malaysia.
This is a goose.
Goose is a long-necked water bird that is good at flying and swimming.
This is a budgerigar.
Budgerigars are small, brightly colored parrots that are good at imitation.
This is a macaw.
Macaws are large, brightly colored parrots with powerful beaks.
This is a iguana.
Iguanas are large, plant-eating reptiles with scales and long tails.
This is a leopard gecko.
Leopard geckos are small, spotted reptiles that are nocturnal.
This is a Pac-Man frog.
The Pac-Man frog is a large, round-bodied frog with a wide mouth.
This is an ornamental snail.
Ornamental snails are ornamental snails with beautiful shells that live in aquariums.
This is a mini goat.
Mini goats are tame dwarf goats that are often kept as ornamental pets.
This is a miniature horse.
Miniature horses are small, tame, and easy to train horses.
This is a mini cow.
Mini cows are small, tame cows that are often kept as ornamental animals.
This is a mini pig.
Mini pigs are small, intelligent pigs and are often kept as pets.
This is a turkey.
Turkey is a large, distinctive bird with a wattle around its neck.
This is a mandarin duck.
Mandarin duck is a brightly colored and very beautiful ornamental duck.
This is an owl.
Owl is a nocturnal bird, nicknamed wise, with large, sharp eyes.
This is a bantam chicken.
Bantam chicken is a small ornamental chicken with beautiful, varied feathers.
This is an Angora rabbit.
Angora rabbit is a rabbit with very long and soft fur.
This is a Semani chicken.
Kamani chicken is a rare chicken from Indonesia with an all-black body.
This is the Angora cat.
The Angora cat is a soft, long-haired cat from Turkey.
This is a cow.
Cows are ruminant livestock that produce milk, meat, and skin.
This is a goat.
Goats are grass-eating livestock that produce milk, meat, and wool.